In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to eBay's help and contact section with ease. This method is simple and effective, even if you're new to using the platform. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly find the right support you need whenever questions or issues arise while using eBay. Let's start by heading over to eBay's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing eBay into the search bar. Usually, the first result will be eBay's official site, so go ahead and click on that link. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll notice a wide array of categories and options designed to make your online shopping experience as seamless as possible. It's always good practice to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you navigate the site more efficiently in the future. Now that we're at the homepage, let's find the Help and Contact section. Look towards the upper part of the page, often in the navigation or header area. Here, you'll find a link that says Help and Contact. This section is an invaluable resource providing assistance with purchases, sales, account issues, and more. Clicking on Help and Contact will open a new page dedicated to offering a variety of support options. Once you're on the Help and Contact page, take a moment to explore the different categories and topics. You'll notice that eBay has organized its help topics into several convenient sections, enabling you to find specific support based on your needs. Whether it's learning about their policies, getting help with a recent purchase, or understanding how to manage your eBay account effectively, this is the place to be. But today, we're focusing on how to get in direct touch with eBay's support team. On this Help and Contact page, one of the options you'll notice will be labeled Contact Us. Clicking on Contact Us will lead you to further options, often tailored to the specific inquiry you need help with. This personalized support experience is ideal for resolving any distinct issues you may be facing, ensuring you're provided with the correct guidance or resolution. And just like that, you're done. You've learned how to smoothly navigate from eBay's homepage to reaching the exact support you need. Always remember, even outside of this tutorial, specific questions often have answers right on the Help and Contact page. Bookmark it if you think you'll need to use these resources frequently. With this newfound knowledge, you've empowered yourself to troubleshoot effectively and make the most out of your eBay experience. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.